I cook pancit later. Pancit, carrots noodle, or macaroni salad with spaghetti and pancit, then macaroni salad, then macaroni salad, then mayonnaise, macaroni salad, even cheese, and cream. This one for condensed. This one onion, spaghetti. Yummy. So I did this one okay, before we dive eating. I cheddar, cheddar, spaghetti and macaroni salad. Macaroni. This is for spaghetti. Spaghetti, spaghetti and macaroni salad. This one, cheddar. Okay. Let's place the macaroni salad. We mix patatas little by little. Yeah, small, small patatas. We boil this one. We mix to the, it's yummy. It will belong to the, mix in the macaroni salad. This one. Just a little. Just a little. We boil that. We mix in macaroni salad onion. It is for pancit, for spaghetti. Cube slice, small. Like this. Very small. Little. Very small. That one. Here. This is for pancit, spaghetti, and macaroni salad. This is pancit and macaroni. And this is the uh, patatas and onion for the uh, spaghetti. The onion for the uh, macaroni salad. So I'm done for the slicing the ingredients, all of the ingredients, all the ingredients. Ay. Okay.